In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Workspace to your Hostinger domain. If you want to use your custom domain for Gmail and other Google Workspace services, this step is essential. Let's walk through the process together. To get started, go to the Hostinger website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, access your H panel, which is Hostinger's control panel for managing hosting in domain settings. Inside the dashboard, click on Domains. This will display a list of all domains registered in your account. Locate the domain you want to connect to Google Workspace and click the Manage button next to it. You'll now be taken to the Domain Management area. From here, look for the DNS/Name Server section. DNS settings control how your domain connects to different services, so this is where we'll make the necessary changes. Click on Manage DNS Records. In this section, you'll be adding a new DNS record. Specifically, you need to add a TXT record. TXT records are used by Google to verify that you own the domain you're trying to connect. Click on the option to add a new DNS record and select TXT is the record type. In the TXT value field, paste the verification code provided by Google Workspace during your setup process. This code proves that you have control over the domain. After pasting the verification code, save your changes. Keep in mind that DNS updates may take some time to propagate, sometimes a few minutes, sometimes up to 24 hours. If verification doesn't work immediately, give it some time and try again later. Once the verification is complete, your domain will be successfully connected to Google Workspace, and you'll be able to use your custom domain with Gmail and other Workspace services. And that's it. You've now connected your Hostinger domain to Google Workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.